stop by the Clown and a Corn Maze experience at San Diego Comic-Con. This activation starts off with the town square, where you're entertained by the buildings and structures before you are introduced to one of the locals, who guides you about what you can expect inside the town's fabled corn maze. Once you enter in, you can find yourself a little lost at times, but don't worry, there's plenty of people inside willing to help you. Those people just happen to be clowns wielding chainsaws. You can easily get twisted and turned. There are signs all over that do not help you or guide you properly throughout the experience. But it really is a lot of fun, especially as the clowns get close to wrangle you closer to the door. Once you find yourself into the next room of the experience, you'll see that you are locked in a space with no way out. The clowns outside the windows, and unfortunately, an explosive planted in the room. As the clock begins to tick, participants of the experience must search through drawers and all over the room looking for a key that will unlock the door. Once you narrowly escape the explosives, you're now in the winner's circle of the experience. But there are carnival games like ring toss and strongman competitions that will net you tickets that you can then use, if you're successful, for treats and slushies. This was definitely one of my favorite activations, so make sure you see it before it's gone.